Hi everybody, welcome back to the Hard Reset Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how you can easily manage your intelligent mode in your Samsung Smart Monitor. So at first you need to scroll to the left where all your control panel options are, and here scroll down to settings. Click all settings and scroll down to the advanced features. Open that, and here you have intelligent mode settings. Click that, and here you can enable the intelligent mode. Click yes, and you will have adaptive sound settings unlocked. You can go to that, and here they have three options. Active Voice Amplifier Pro, which analyzes dialect volume and ambient noise in real time to ensure the voice audio clarity. No data is saved during the analysis, and we can enable and disable this option using just a simple click. Here we have Adaptive Sound Pro, which masters the sound using AI, analyzing audio content and the space around your screen in real time to deliver optimized sound as intended by the original audio engineer. And here we have Adaptive Volume, and here we have automatically adjust the volume based on your usage patterns and audio input. We can enable these options or just disable intelligent mode. And that's how it works. Goodbye!